Yes. Yes. Here we go. Now, feast your eyes on cooking. Cooking, we gotta get 2 eggs, milk, and some butter to be melted down. So first we have some flour. Look at this. This is a ready baked kit, so you only need, these 3 recipes and then mix them all together. So let's just take the eggs and crack it. There we go. It's cracked. Ooh. Gonna right here. Yeah. Cracking, dead, done. Oh, God. Anyway, doing a second one, and I'm just gonna crack it over a little bit, and yeah, there we go, perfect crack. I think there's still a little bit of crap coming down it, but that's alright, I'll fix that. Next is the milk. Let's put the milk in there. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the butter. Gonna put the butter into the microwave. Look at that. Microwave. Ooh boy. Let's put that in. Hold up. Yeah, there we go. Settled. Oh, look at my face. Wow. Okay. Maybe a minute? No, hold on. No, hold on. I've got this right. It's about 30 to 40 seconds. We'll just wait here. I've also forgot to do some stuff, but we'll just wait. Yeah, we could do one more task. We could do one task while we're waiting for this, which is set the things out, but you won't see this actually happen. So, yeah. Here we go. Yeah, we tip it all in once it's done, and yeah, it should look like this disgusting piece of shit. But we're gonna make it look even worse by mixing it. We can mix it with one of these, but we'll use a spoon because why not? We want to mix it all in. There we go. We're going very fast here because it took like 4 minutes to actually do, and you don't want to see 4 minutes of me stirring, so I sped it up. And now we put out the little fucking thingies, and apparently this wasn't sped up. Well, it was, but it's just not that fast. I don't know. Anyway, we put all this in, and then we'll be able to do the next task. Is just put all the crap into them to make a little patty cake mix, or cupcake mix, really, if we're gonna go by technical terms. Mind you, this is just a pre-crapped on one that I just got from like the shops. Woolworths has it, Coles have them, Aldi even has them, IGA probably have them, I don't know, I'm sure they have these in America as well. Anyway, so I found them, and I've just been doing this for every gosh damn day that I've been basically having to do nothing because there's nothing to do. So now we're going to put them in the oven. I accidentally just left it on 180, which was the preheat setting. So you meant to put this one down to 160, but fuck all I know. Here we go, look at them. They just popped. Now we're gonna have a look to see if they're fucking ready. Wow. Nah, they weren't ready that time. We'll try it again anyway. Nah, not ready. Let's leave it for a bit. There we go. Look at that. They're ready now. Like, took literally 2 to 3 minutes. And look at them. They're all done. Wow. Thanks for watching, and goodbye. This is cooking in quarantine, or self-isolation. One of the two.